omukoro gwo kuhereza ebyarugero mu bigezo bya PLE aha mashomero ga primary ga government na private gwakorerwa mu State Hall kandi gwayejumbirwamo abebembeza ba State bebembirwe State Clerk Mayor ba RCCs hamwe n'abakoro b'amashomero. Mbarwa City bakaba bine centers inshanjo na mukaga aha mashomero igani 15 kandi bakakwata umwanya gwa gatano mu ihanga ombigezo byo mwaka 2024 aho abebembezi basima abakoro b'amashomero ahabwo mu rumogo bakozere
Mbarwa City twino kwesima kwanga munonga ahabo kubo mu ihanga tukakwata umwanya murunji umwaka gwa 2023 tukaba tubira bamushanjo mu ihanga ryona kandi atumwaka gwa 2024 tubasize kuba abakatano When performance ejo ne attributed by okugira abashomesa bakehayo ba headmaster bakakora imirimo yabo kandi office y'ubwegese ningashi education city offices nazo zikabasa kukorogwazo and all the key stakeholders.
On page 1 of what I have, we see about 84 students who totally failed. I don't think they are so dense that they can't pass. But can we apply another sense to make them just understand some things, make them pass? Because not all students are intellectually gifted. They could be gifted in other ways, and I think the teachers who disseminate the knowledge need to also understand the clients as we disseminate that knowledge to them, such that they can catch up.
You can still visit even the private schools, because for them there is a way they handle their programs. Please visit them and learn from them.
Steklaka hona yajumirwa muze gw'abashomesa bamwe abino kwebuzabuza baba bahirwe za transfer ngo kandi abanaija kubakoraho.
I found when they had made some transfers. Those are not my transfers, but I made sure that they are effective. So I've seen some letters from school management committees. I know some of you don't want to get out of those schools, from those comfort zones, but you have to move. You must go because the former town clerk, he had reasons why he transferred you. So I don't see why you are now trying to convince the school management committees, and they have started writing letters. I will not encourage. I will not entertain that.
So Mario Batista kuba umusti zone. Yona umanyati competing na municipalities. Municipality ni basakura mu cyangwa. Ngari kunje mwere kugiye kabene tangira ikunsinga ari kunje kandi imanje. Simba na kabali. Simba na usheni. Natunga muhari municipality. Na soro. Kokana nene kwatirire na kwataza zona down.
Era Mbarwa City twesanga tuli mu kifo kya mukaga era nga performance bulungi amadrasa tinuru ngesomero twaliga mu masomero agakola obulungi ennyo so azadde tubebaza era tubasaba mutwongera abaana
Gasha kwa na Gudi Fatuma.